So here we have the seated leg curl. This is going to primarily focus on your hamstrings. Prior to getting the machine, each machine will have various settings. This one has quite a few. So first is the back. So this is going to get you closer to the edge of the seat. So remember, your knees are going to be toward the edge of your seat when you're sitting in these for legs. The other sections are going to be set on top of your legs, which you can adjust once you sit. And then all the way down here toward the feet is also going to adjust closer to your height level. So that's going to depend on once you sit down. We'll show you where to sit that at. But also don't forget, prior to sitting into the machine, check your weight adjustments. People may get in and out of your rotation, so you want to make sure your weight hasn't changed. So when you go to sit in there, you'll notice his knees are in line with the circle dot to the right. He's just over the edge of the seat, placing his feet onto the padding. Some of the machines will give you a different range of motion, so be cautious of your flexibility. You do not want to strain your hamstrings. And then you can adjust the padding that goes onto the top of your legs so that you feel secure and tight, so your legs are not popping off. If you are rising, you're either lifting too heavy or you're not firmly, properly attached down to the bottom. So just tighten the pin over to your side if you have one of those. At his ankles, you want to make sure the padding is above your ankle, below the calf. And if you need it a little closer, just feel it for comfort so that when you go to kick your heels toward your butt, you actually feel comfortable. Each person's a little different on where they're going to feel the most comfort. But once you're adjusted, properly secured, holding onto the handles, you're going to push downward and push your heels toward your butt. Slow range of motions with this. Hamstring should be a smaller load than your quads. They should be approximately 3/4 of strength over your quad strength. But be cautious to slowly move. You may have a small hold at the bottom if need to. Do not have your legs flim up, fly upward as you can finish this contraction. You will pull a hamstring.